Welcome back. In this section, we are going to load data from local storage. So for that, we will click on load data. Click on batch classic. Start new batch specs. Click on local disk. Connect data. We will specify base directory, that is quick start / tutorial, which we have seen when we installed Apache Druid. Here we will specify file name as wikiticker 2015-09-12 sample json.gz. This is a gz file. Click on apply. So it will connect to our local file. Our data will be displayed on the screen. So let's wait for some time. When the sample data gets loaded into Apache Druid, here you can see data has been connected. Here we will parse the data. We will have a detailed lecture on parse data as of now. We will just click on parse time. Whenever we work on Druid, we need to have a time column. Otherwise, it will create its own. So, time column has been created as per Druid. So, click on transform. Transformation is the place where we can transform the column from small case to uppercase, and we can perform various in clause like in SQL, where for example if we only want to extract data which has country name as Australia, so all sort of filtering transformation can be done over here. Then we will see transformation also in detail in the upcoming lectures. Filter, where we can filter the data. As of now I am keeping the same. Configure schema. So this is the schema, and click on partition. Here we specify the granularity. Granularity we will specify by day. Segment granularity. So the data will be stored on the day basis. Maximum rows per segment will be this much, and maximum total rows will be this much. This is the default value which we are getting in Druid. So primary partition by time, that is will sort the data in terms of day, and this is the secondary partitioning. These are the tuning parameters. We will also look into it. Here just click on publish. Here we will write as load data from file. Click on edit spec. So here you can see data source will be named as load data from file. We can submit it. So task submitted. So here you can see task will start running. As of now status is pending. Once it's get completed, our data will be loaded. We can then query that data. Here you can monitor the task. So here you can see it is running. So here you can see it is running. We can also refresh over here. We can also set it after how much time it should refresh. So data will appear in it after some time. So in background, execution is taking place. So let's wait for some time and then we will look into it. So that's all. See you in the once the data gets loaded into Druid. So here you can see as the load data from file has been available. So let's run the query. So this is how we load the data from file. So now in the upcoming section, we will see how to load the data from URI, that is from web pages. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.